And we are back for one more video. So last time we completed episode number 135 and 136, and in those episodes we got to know the 8 that got selected. Do we got to know the 8? Yeah, we got to know the 8 that got selected, and then the match between Tien and Tao. And I thought that because of his cyborg implant, Tao would win, but he lost the match. Tien won, and I didn't think much about the consequences of his machinery, that he can't use any of the weapons that he put in him. He only can use the Dodon Ray and other martial art techniques. So he was going to be disqualified anyhow after using that. So TN won that match, and now we are going to see a match between Goku and Chi Chi. But Chi Chi hasn't told her name, because if Chi Chi tells her name, Master Roshi is also going to identify her. And is Master Roshi going to identify her? Because I don't think that he has seen her since she got older. So I don't think that Master Roshi might also identify her. But she has come out, so I don't know. Let's just see who guesses first, Master Roshi or Goku or Yamcha. Yamcha is also there, and he was the first one to meet her. He was the first one who said that he is going to. He proposed her. So let's see what's going to happen. Who is going to guess who she is first? And this fight is going to be very enjoyable. I think this is not at all going to be serious, and I want this to go for 2 episodes. But I know that it will only be one episode, this fight, and then after that the next fight. I think that the next fight will be also for one episode only. Krillin versus Piccolo. I don't think that Krillin stands much chance against Piccolo. He is stronger. I really need to see his strength, because after the training with Karin, he is stronger, definitely stronger, but not as strong as Piccolo. So maybe not. I don't know. Only one match or something like that. So this in this video, I think that there will be one match of Goku versus Chi, and the other second episode would be the match between Krillin and Piccolo. Krillin and Junior. I am calling him Piccolo. I am not calling him Junior because there is no King Piccolo, so he is the only Piccolo here. Because the other one is Kami. So let's see what happens. So let's see what happens in today's video. Let's start with episode number 137, Goku's match with Chi Chi. Let's see who wins. Let's go.
You may begin.
Let's go. She's going for the first hit. Oh. At least it's better than the previous match. They are fighting, not like the previous. Wow, Chi-Chi is quite strong.
Have I ever met you before?
But Goku is not using his full power.
Of course we've met before! Are you that dense?
It's like husband and wife fighting.
So that's it. Goku and that girl must have been friends once. If you don't mind, could you tell me what I forgot? So I can remember? These two seem to be arguing about something.
Have you forgotten the promise you made as well?
The promise.
Promise? Did
Yeah.
I promise you something?
Yes.
That's right! Let me jog your memory!
Whatever problem these two are having, one thing's for certain, she's a good fighter. Her techniques resemble the style of the Turtle School.
Oh, how could
Master Roshi. Master Roshi can.
I know you're angry, but tell me what I promised you, please.
You're serious? You really can't remember?
Yeah.
Fine! I'll tell you the promise you broke! You said that I would be your bride!
So let's get married.
You could remember that one.
So let's get married.
Hey, Krillin, what's a bride? Please tell me. A bride? Roughly translated, it means your life is over. Goku.
I knew he was dumb,
about
but
to be married.
I think my definition is more accurate. It's the woman that you'll live with for the rest of your life.
Live together? With you? When I said that, was I conscious? How can I marry someone if I don't even know their name?
I don't know what kind of game you're playing, but I'll be happy to tell you my name. If you beat me.
Perfect. Besides, if we're going to be spending the rest of our lives together, it might be a good idea if I knew what to call you.
Huh. Are you so sure you're going to win? I'm not. In fact, at the pace you're fighting, you'd be lucky if you hit me once!
I really think that Chi-Chi is going to win.
It's obvious who she is.
You know who she is?
Who she
Tell
is?
me.
You should pay more attention. It's no great mystery. Powaru Master Roshi should know who she is.
Huh?
What?
I can't wait to find out.
How does
Are you ready for my attack?
Oolong know before any of them?
Fall asleep.
Does Oolong really know who she is? And poor... Yeah, they were there when during the Ox Temple. Yeah! Dude, use a bit less power. She is a woman after all. You don't...
He's your student. What just happened? He clearly did not hit her.
Goku is no longer my student, but he did something. He stuck his hand out at an incredible speed. The force of which must have created a shockwave that threw Miss Anonymous out of the ring.
Bro did not just hit her.
Just relax. Give it a second. You'll be all right. I'm sorry. That blast was designed to knock you out of the ring, not knock you out.
So
I
now,
thought it was possible.
tell your
You're
name.
Stronger than I remember.
So
Well,
tell your name
Will you
now,
tell me your name?
please.
You're impossible. I'm the Ox King's daughter, Chi-Chi.
So Oolong already knew. Oh shit.
You're Chi-Chi? I remember! I did say it! It was back when we were children that I told you I wanted a bride.
I remember I was there.
But I don't think you understand. I thought bride meant something to eat.
Something to eat. Then the promise you made was a mistake?
Yeah, that was
Sometimes
a
my
mistake.
brain doesn't know what my mouth is saying. Good thing my heart does.
Oh.
Will you marry me?
Yes.
Goku has proposed to
Holy! Abe! Match mozak!
like this.
गोकुले बायको भेटली.
Why are you grabbing me?
अबे ड्रॅगन बॉल झी चालू व्हायचा ना अजून.
Let's hear it for Goku!
अबे झालंय. अबे लगा कसा?
These blissful youngsters are the first opponents to ever leave the ring as a couple. Certainly, this is the most surprising outcome of the tournament's history.
How romantic.
Imagine two grown-ass men leaving the fight, getting married.
I'm in love with you, Goku.
And Goku is not in love with you.
Love? What do you mean by that?
Yeah. And Goku can't even feel that. Everybody else can, but
What are you doing?
Everybody else can feel that kiss, but Goku can't even feel. What does that even mean? Goku don't even know that. It is going to be very much fun watching them as a couple.
Big family, lots of kids.
Lots of kids.
Not too many, 8 or 9. Wait till you see the house.
Does he even know how to make kids?
Oh, he wanted it to be a surprise.
This is all happening so fast.
I know.
You are the one who proposed her.
You must be one of Goku's friends. I'm his fiancée, Chi-Chi. Nice to meet
Yeah, likewise.
you. Hello again, Yamcha.
Yamcha, why didn't you say something?
You're a sweet person, and I know you're fond of me, but I'm sorry. Goku's my true love.
I said that Yamcha proposed her first.
Listen, this is all just a misunderstanding.
Enlighten us.
Please. It's not what you're thinking. When I met her, she was just a little girl. She was cute in a sisterly sort of way. She looked nothing like the beautiful woman she is today. Honest. Oops, I shouldn't have said that.
Master Roshi.
Bro dug his own grave.
You always were a cantankerous old man. Some of you I know quite well, and some of you I've just met. However, there is one thing we all share in common. A love for this wonderful man. I'm so happy I could pop. I can't wait till we're married. I'm going to be the best wife in the world.
Yeah.
Aren't you excited?
You are going to be the best
I'll be
wife.
back.
Krillin?
Huh?
Your opponent in the next match is no ordinary warrior.
Dude, your wife just left.
Trust me. Keep your
Don't
guard
change
up.
the subject so quickly.
Don't worry.
You are getting married.
It's
I did say that this fight is going to be for only one episode, but it went only half episode. Okay. So their fight I think is going to be for 1.5 episode. This half episode and then the next one episode. That would only be good. So
Don't feel much
we.
like fighting now.
What's going to
Krillin has a
happen?
new technique.
Oh, Krillin has a new technique. Oh, I think that's why they separated their ways so that they.
That's it.
What is that? That's neither Dodonrain nor the Kamehameha. That is something new. Where did he learn that from? He went to some other master. Obey! Is Krillin going to defeat Piccolo? No! Piccolo can't fly, so that won't matter. At least Krillin is matching Piccolo's speed.
He doesn't give up.
Eh? Why did he stop in mid-air?
He'll fall out of bounds.
What happened? Huh? No! He can fly! How?
Amazing. He learned the hovering space.
How?
Not bad, Krillin. Good.
Did Chaozu teach him? Oh!
Thanks, Krillin. When did you master that move? Yeah, way to go! Perfect!
I don't think even Goku can do that. When did he learn that? And from whom?
I think I speak for the entire audience when I say how unbelievable that was! Just amazing!
I speak for entire audience. WTF? Nobody is saying anything.
I must admit you've surprised me. Your moves and techniques are adequate.
for such a limited mind. I congratulate you. Forgive
But
my
come on,
bias.
Piccolo needs
I
to
see now that
Piccolo
I can
needs to
afford
fight
to
Goku.
show you a little.
What do you mean? A little of what?
My real power, unrestrained.
A little of my
Real power?
reality.
Okay, let's see it.
So what? He grew in size? That's your real power?
Listen to him, Krillin! He's boasting because he's scared! You can take him! Bulma's right!
No, it's true. Krillin, he's very dangerous.
Yeah,
Don't
get out
worry,
of the
I've
ring.
got this.
I don't think you got this. Don't be a fool and
What
Oh.
terrible power is Junior about to unleash? Krillin has a few tricks of his own, but will even these new abilities be enough to defeat his mighty foe?
I don't really know. I don't
One
really
way to find
think.
out. Tune in for the next Action Extreme episode of Dragon Ball.
And now we have completed episode number 137. And the first match was very interesting. I really wanted it to last. I wanted it to last for 2 episodes, but it completed in half episode. That was very disappointing because it was very enjoyable. I enjoyed that. And Chichi could have tortured him more, but she challenged him that I will tell you my name after you defeat me. So that's why Goku defeated her. If she didn't say that, Goku would have just stayed right there and Chi-Chi would have hit him unlimited and nothing would have happened. Chi-Chi, I wanted to see different, some different techniques from Chi-Chi, but Goku defeated her in one shot. And I felt the same, that the same would happen with Krillin, but Krillin is a bit powerful now. Now we know that Krillin is taking his stand against Piccolo. Piccolo couldn't one-shot him. He is, giving a fight to Piccolo. So now we have to see who is going to. Of course, Piccolo is going to win because why would Goku fight Krillin in the final match? No, wait. Goku fight Krillin. No, wait. Krillin would have to fight Hero in the semi-finals. So Hero is going to defeat Krillin anyhow. So yeah, definitely Krillin is not going to win. Piccolo is going to win because Piccolo said that this is just, I haven't shown you anything. Piccolo's power is too much. He is the main villain of the arc. So let's see what is going to happen in this episode. I did say that in the middle of the episode that this is going to last for 1.5 episodes. So I think that by the end of this episode number 138, we will get to see who wins and who loses. If either Krillin wins or Piccolo. So let's see episode number 138. Let's go. Nothing is touching him. All the force is, his clothes is taking all the force. Stop punching it! Dark clouds are here. It is going to rain. A storm. Is the match going to stop in between? Or are the dark clouds for
What in
Piccolo?
the world is he going to do?
Is he controlling the weather? Was there really need for the dark clouds? Just for aesthetics? Huh? Huh?
What? Krillin, move!
He became Monkey D. Luffy?
Krillin!
Bro ate the Gomu Gomu no Mi.
should have quit.
Krillin, he is coming. Look out.
I better make it count.
Kamehameha.
It's over, Krillin.
Right in his face. Do you really? No. Goku's face tells that it didn't. Did it?
Where did he go? Behind
That
you,
was
Krillin!
the after
It's
image.
a trap!
That was the after image. Holy shit. That was painful to watch. Is he going to stand up? No, stay down. No, you are not going to win against him. Come on, man.
On his feet!
Stay down. I don't really want to.
This fight isn't over yet!
Abey, yaar. Yeah, please stay down.
That's better.
The fight is over.
I'm done.
Yeah.
After showing more
Thank you.
stamina than any
Thank
fighter
you.
could hope to muster, Krillin has decided to stand down! Therefore, under tournament guidelines, Junior wins the match!
I
Although
really.
he lost, Krillin's skill and bravery has given us one of the most breathtaking performances ever seen in this ring!
At least he was a bit
Krillin,
intelligent
that was
about
a
that.
fantastic match. You made
Step
great
down when
progress. I'm really
you
amazed by your technique.
have to.
Yeah, the only thing missing was a win.
No problem. Goku can take it. So now the third match is over. Now the fourth
stage
match.
is now set for our fourth and final match before the semifinals
Hero
begin.
versus Yamcha.
The last
Oh
phase
wait,
indication-
is Yamcha going to lose in half episode?
Let's turn our attention to the fighters.
No, because Hero is just
What makes this
lucky.
match so unique is the diversity of its players.
Yeah.
Experienced warrior Yamcha takes on novice Hero.
Wow, so many people.
I guess they'll let anyone fight these days.
I bet he's an actor.
Yamcha is going to lose to
Struggle
Hero.
Stay alive, but you'll have to struggle to stay awake.
Jealous. Luck of the draw. This won't take long. I'll be back in a minute. That's an interesting technique you got there. Feel free to attack whenever you're ready.
Okay, I appreciate your kindness.
Yamcha, you are going to lose in this episode itself. He is going to one-shot you. What is Goku looking? Is something wrong,
Can't help
Goku?
but notice how serious you've been lately. Is something the matter? You used to be so cheerful.
Sorry,
Goku, is
I've been
something-
preoccupied.
What
I
is?
have a strange feeling about Hero.
Eh? So what is wrong with him? Yeah,
Don't worry. Everyone here thinks he's strange.
he is lucky. That's what is strange. Everybody is surprised. How can Yamcha get hit by that?
I don't want to hurt the old fella. Nah, just
Do
get him out of
it!
the ring.
Yeah, please do it. No, Yamcha is going to go straight out of the ring. Did Yamcha lose? Okay. At least he is not out of the ring. How can you? Goku knows something is wrong. Goku, tell us something about him. What are you looking at?
Body, but not his pride.
Hero, nothing happens by accident.
Yeah, exactly. Something is wrong with him. He got luck on his side, but how?
Nice of Yamcha to give us a preview of his victory dance. Let's
Something-
show him our support with a big round of applause, audience.
Yeah.
I really
When it
want to
comes
see
to luck, you're
what
powerful.
what is
Thanks,
his
so are you
power.
ready for a surprise?
Yeah, please show us.
Watch.
He got power.
I don't believe in using deception as a tool. I fight my battles the old-fashioned way.
And that's
Poor
why you are
boy.
going to
And I
lose.
thought I was an optimist. You must enjoy humiliation. All right. We'll do it your way. It's certainly more entertaining.
Say hi to my Wolfang fist!
Nope.
Okay, so it's his training. It's not just luck. He did all that.
Never leave your feet unprotected.
So we completed episode number 137 and 138, and the first episode was quite predictable because that's what I thought. But I really thought that Krillin was going to be hurt more, but no, he kept his pride intact and quit the match on his own violation. So he was not hurt that much like the last previous so many times, and like everybody does, their pride is more than everything for them. They have to either win or die. That's what everybody does in these matches. But Krillin, I think Krillin is the first one that quit the match on his own, because in these three tournaments, the first, second and third, I don't remember anybody quitting their match on their own. Krillin, I think, is the first one. So we just need to, and now the second match. I thought that the lucky guy, the hero, was going to win by one shot, one luck or something, but no, he is not any lucky normal guy. He got some power behind his fist. He is somebody. He got history. He is a character. He is a good character. He is a special character, and we need to see who he is. And now I really think that he is going to win. Is Piccolo going to beat him in the semi-finals? Now that we need to see, because he is not all lucky, and Piccolo might see from his actions or whatever he throws at him, if it is not just luck and if it is his training, Piccolo can defeat him. If he was lucky, Piccolo won't stand a chance, but now we see that it was not his luck. It was his training that he was, showing people that he is just a clumsy person and actually he is a fighter. Piccolo can defeat him now. There is no doubt. So now Piccolo is going to defeat him in semi-final. I know that for sure. He is not going to stand a chance for Piccolo. So let's just meet in the next video. I think now in the next episode number 139, in the next video we are going to watch episode number 139 and 140, and in episode number 139 I think that Hero is going to win and Yamcha is going to lose. It's that half of that episode, and in the next half I think that the semi-finals are going to start. Tien versus Goku is going to start, and that fight would last for at least 2 videos, I think, because the final has to last for 4 episodes. So before that, and Piccolo is going to defeat the lucky guy Hero. Should I call him Hero or Hero? Hero is fine. Piccolo is going to defeat Hero in, I think, 1 video, 2 episodes. So that's how I think everything is going to be. 2 episodes for the Tien versus Goku, 2 episodes for Hero versus Piccolo, and then 4 episodes. 2, 4 and 4, 8. 8 and 8 episodes. But we have 16 episodes. Let's just see what happens next, because now the remaining episodes are, I think, 46 episode, and 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 episodes are remaining. My guess is right. So I think that's just how the pattern would go. Maybe some up and down a little bit, half of episode here and there, but I think that's how the rest of the matches will go. And we are nearing the end of Dragon Ball. Let's go! Let's meet in the next episode and see who wins. Either Yamcha or definitely Yamcha is not winning. So let's see how Hero is going to win. Let's meet in the next video, and until then, enjoy. Bye bye.